Well, today's recipe, classic with of course a twist, mirchi ka salan. But I am making capsicum ka salan. Let's begin. Whenever you think of biryani, the classic accompaniments could be a kachumbar, raita, pickled onions, dahi ki chutney. But when you talk about Hyderabadi biryani, the most classic combination goes with mirchi ka salan. Well, I'm twisting the recipe slightly and including capsicum in this recipe. First things first, oil, beginning with dried coconut. Once this fries a little, I'm going to add in the peanuts. Along with this, sesame seeds. Toast this lightly, and with this, off goes the flame. Allow this to cool down completely before we begin grinding. Let's transfer this in the mixie jar. Time to add in ginger, garlic, and green chilies. In this case, a couple of more chilies because, of course, this is mirch ka salan. Untoasted coriander seeds, turmeric powder, and along with this, homemade garam masala. Let's grind this into a fine and smooth paste, adding water as needed. Our paste is done and ready. Let's now move on to the tempering. Let's begin with the tempering. First things first, oil. Now generally salan uses a lot of oil, but you can use this with caution and at your own discretion. Let's begin with fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, kalonji, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and lots of green chilies. Let's stir this for a couple of seconds. Once the chilies get blistered, I'm going to add in the wet paste. A cupful of water. Let's take all this goodness from the jar. And along with this, salt. And finally, tamarind juice. Let's stir this well. Now, because of the peanuts and the sesame and coconut, this is going to thicken. So add in water accordingly. And add in our hero ingredient, green capsicum. Let's stir this well and cook this for at least 10 minutes on medium flame or till the capsicum is cooked to the doneness of your choice. With this, our capsicum ka salan is done and ready, and with this, off goes the flame. Well, now all that's required is to only make a wonderful, fragrant biryani. Invite your family, invite your friends, invite your neighbors, and serve them biryani with, for a difference, capsicum ka salan. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.